Well, I have to hand it to him. He did park the living heck out of that van. Is it still moving? No, so parking successful. I call this unparalleled parking. The white car and massive truck hauling the logs were mere inches away from colliding with each other. The white car driver is incredibly lucky the truck driver braked hard.
and vice versa.
This driver decided to run the stop sign and paid the price. Though, if he was in New York or California, I'm sure this was considered a stop. The driver ran a solid red and then had the chutzpah to look at the camera condescendingly as if the camera was in the wrong. That guy seriously just ate that pavement, but I will say that was a pretty cool scooter. He was looking off to his left, which tells me that something caught his eye. Maybe it was a beautiful woman.
Real pair out yet. I guess they could grab a different pair and compare that to that, but that's just that could be comparing reps at that point. Guys, the pair that Kais is holding in his hand has.
Maybe it's just me, but I feel like the cop should have stopped and told the man to at least panhandle safely. Yet again with this intersection, it's crazy how we keep getting submissions from the camera about this same intersection. I'd make a compilation and send it to the local news outlets and city council to try to force them to install a traffic light. I guess he saw the guy in front of him go that is making a right on red and he thought he could go. Watching the driver in front and not the light is always a terrible idea. It baffles me that the driver was driving among the smallest cars ever and still manages to hit someone. All it took was to look while reversing and they couldn't even do that. Just FYI, this video was not sponsored by Orkin.
It's about as close of a call as you can get. A brake check during rush hour sent a driver right into oncoming traffic.
This brake check nearly ends in a fatality. At that point, it's better to run into them and sue, but the caveat is that there must be a dash cam for proof. This idiot had the audacity to honk at the camera for pulling out in front of him. I don't know what it is, but it seems Costco gas stations seem to distill some of the worst people sometimes. This genius tried to overtake when it was illegal to do so and then ends up crashing into a bus. That maneuvering to shed a precious few minutes cost him a pretty penny. This officer nearly causes an accident while driving on the shoulder just to get onto the tollway to beat traffic. This pretty much sums up Houston driving. It's honestly insane. I believe if you can drive in Houston, you can drive anywhere.
Got a truck coming in. Yes, there's a truck there.
This tough guy tries to cut in line and ends up not getting his way. Am I wrong for wanting that driver to have their significant other in the car with them, because I feel like a decade of "I told you so" might teach them a lesson? This idiot almost crashes while overtaking the idiot ahead of him going the speed limit in the passing lane. Holding fast lanes does, in fact, cause accidents. The camera had to brake pretty hard to avoid being hit by the bends. He then yelled at the camera and then whipped out his phone and started to record the camera. This driver was in such a rush that he overtook in oncoming lanes and almost hit multiple cars and run a red in the process. I think nature was calling for this driver. The camera said that he woke up to this, and the first thing that came to mind was, wow, I didn't know Michelin got into the crayon industry. Jokes aside, it's honestly a little bit relaxing and mesmerizing to watch.